KOHLER offers a wide range of Levity bath and shower doors designed to fit any size showering space. This video demonstrates the measurements and information that will help you determine what size Levity door will fit in your bathroom. Proper fit and function of Levity doors is dependent on accurate measurements, so always remember to measure twice and order once. The measurements in this video apply to both shower and bath installations. For the purposes of this video, the measurements will be demonstrated on a shower base. Confirm the bath or shower ledge and wall have at least 3 inches of flat surface. KOHLER Levity doors are adjustable and designed to accommodate walls that are up to 3/8 inch out of plumb. The following measurements will help you determine what size door is right for your showering space. Write down all measurements for future reference. Measure the width of your opening along the ledge. Then measure the width of the opening about 5.5 feet up from the ledge. Measure the height of the opening from the ledge to the ceiling. Measure the height of the showering space. Once you have all your measurements, go online and reference the specification sheet for the door you are looking to purchase. Confirm that the width of your opening falls between the opening width min and max numbers listed on the specification sheet. Then confirm the height of your opening meets the minimum installation requirement for the door, and the height of your showering space is greater than the header height. If any of these measurements do not meet the requirements on the specification sheet, KOHLER offers a full range of Levity doors that are sized for any bath or shower opening. Go online to find specification sheets, installation videos, and more to help you install the Levity door that will complete your own custom look in your bathroom.